Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on this backup option, and as you can see we'll be automatically transferred to this whole Google account section. So let's tap on add account. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let's simply tap on it to read and tap on I agree after the reading. Here we've got the information about the backup and storage info, so we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contact device settings and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and here we've got another backup section, so we can check our storage, we can check how much space we've got left, we can manage it. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, the advanced settings, so we can use the backup with the usage of the mobile data. However, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off because you can avoid some charges thanks to it. And all you have to do to finish is to tap on backup now, and from now on your device will automatically back up the data to your Google account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.